This is an Artisan Classic Rock News Wrap for September 20th. Queen is looking to tour with your help. The band has started an online talent search to find a band to keep their music alive. With Freddie Mercury now gone 20 years, the band is starting up the Queen Extravaganza at queenextravaganza.com with a sanctioned competition and tour to follow. According to Rolling Stone, Pink Floyd guitarist David Gilmour has been told to remove a beachfront hut in front of his mansion because neighbors are claiming it's an eyesore. The Brighton and Hove City Council agreed and said the bicycle shed must be removed or they'll do it at his expense. Ozzy Osbourne is set to release his new book, Trust Me, I'm Dr. Ozzy, Advice from Rock's Ultimate Survivor. It's a playful pun on the success of daytime TV's Dr. Oz, and it's based on answers to celebrities' medical questions, charts and sidebars, and much more. It's part humor, part memoir, and part bad advice. The premise for this is his survival and a map of his DNA, which was done last year. Also, Ozzy unwittingly helped rescue a lost boy in the California woods earlier this year. They played his music to help the boy find his way to authorities. Paul McCartney and fiancée Nancy Chevelle are set to marry. They have posted their notice of intention in London, and it's currently processing, but it's thought that Sir Paul will be able to tie the knot anytime after September 30th.
Very proud of it. Get yours from March the 13th.